Hey guys, welcome back again to this another tutorial. So today I'll be talking about the GB WhatsApp. So this is the GB WhatsApp I'm trying to talk about. So I'll be showing you how you can download it and how you can use it, and with its great importances and great features. So it has other models of I call them models of versions, but with different names. For example, your WhatsApp, there is FM, Fahad, WhatsApp Plus, but all of them, WhatsApp Plus is the best. So you get quite a number of features. So I'll be showing you how to download and install it. Then we shall see what next and how to use it, and we shall be seeing all those great features of this GB WhatsApp. So to download the GB WhatsApp, I'll leave you a link in the description. So you just tap on the link in the description, then you'll follow along these steps I'll be using to download the GB WhatsApp. So if you already have the GB WhatsApp in your phone and you want to update it, this is what you'll do. So just type on this menu here. After typing on it, when you touch on it or tap on it or click on it, you'll get the GB settings. So when you get the GB, when you click there, it will take you to the GB settings. Then you can see them. There is privacy and security, add on. Then you go for updates. So when you click on updates, they will show you these three of them. There is check for updates, WhatsApp catalog. Then there is update from the web. So you can either check for updates if you're not sure if you're using the latest update, or if you want to know the version of your update. When you touch there, it will just tell you which version you're already using. So for me, this one is already the updated one, which is version 10. So this one is GB WhatsApp Plus, or you can call it GB Pro. So to download, we shall just click on or touch on update from web. So it will just direct take you to the web application. It will open a browser in your phone, might be Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, depending on what you're using. So what you'll do, you'll have to scroll down. If you feel like reading through, you can go ahead, read through all this. So these are some of the brief things they tell you, what this app can do for you. It can hide online status, you can hide blue ticks, hide second ticks. So we shall be seeing all those ones in this series of GB WhatsApp, because I'll be showing you each part in a separate video for easy to use it. So we shall scroll down until we reach this light green box, whereby you can see download GB WhatsApp for Android devices. So this method only works on Android devices. If you're using other OS, this one doesn't concern you. This one is for only Android users. So when you reach this step, you just click on or tap on download now. So it will open another page. So after opening another page, this is what you'll see. You'll get these two options here, whereby they will show you direct download or minor download. So it's upon you if you want to direct download or use minor. It's upon you. Any you tap on this one will download it for you. So most times you'll get an ad, so you can close the ad. After closing for the ad, then you'll be prompted to download. So if you tap on download, your download will be downloaded and goes into your phone directory. So you can find it in your when you open File Manager and in your downloads. So I've already downloaded, so I'll show you how to install it then. So I'll click and find my tools, then I'll go to my files, then I'll check in downloads. I'll just check in downloads. So Depending on the type of phone you're using, there is always a summary of images, audios, videos, documents, and downloads. So you can tap on downloads, or you can use installation files, whereby there is an APK. So APK is mostly these files, applications which we download from the internet or download from any site. Then we install them direct, not through Google Play Store, but using a direct installation. So I'll tap here to see what I've just downloaded. So this is it, as you can see, GB WhatsApp Pro version 9.0. This one was the oldest, then this is the latest version 1.0. So you just tap on it to install it. So if you've not set your installation from unknown sources, it will prompt you to first enable them. So what you'll do, you'll go to your settings. When you're trying to install it here, you'll go to it will prompt you to install from unknown sources. Then you'll just click accept, then continue with the installation. So the installation is not all that difficult. It is the same way how you install any application. Then you'll wait for it to install and finalize. Then I'll show you what next. So that process doesn't require a lot. It's only that within the security menu, you only click on the side, on the slider, then and enable the feature that says unknown sources, which allows you to install. So after allowing that one, then you'll be done with the installation process. If you follow those things I've just told you. Click on open or tap on open. So this is the GB WhatsApp, and this is how it looks. So I'll be showing you some of the features which are of very good importance and which you can use to enjoy this GB WhatsApp, and all of them I'll be showing them to you. So this is how it is. Thank you for watching, guys. We meet in the next tutorial also about the GB WhatsApp, as I'll be showing more about it. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.